guys, ka-idol, kapuso, kapamilya, kapatid. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you. Nagpakain lang po ako ng mga isda ko, guys. Love you always, guys. Thank you, guys.